Ather 450S versus Ather 450X. Which one should you choose? Let's dive into the details and find out which Ather electric scooter suits your needs. Starting with the price, the Ather 450S comes at 1,25,599, while the Ather 450X is priced at 1,54,999. If you are on a budget, the 450S saves you 29,400. However, if you are willing to invest a little more, the 450X offers additional performance and features that could justify the extra cost. The Ather 450S features a 2.9 kWh battery offering a true range of 90 km, while the Ather 450X has a larger 3.7 kWh battery with a true range of 110 km. While both scooters are great for daily commutes, the 450X gives you extra range, making it a better option for longer trips. When it comes to acceleration, the Ather 450S takes 3.9 seconds to go from 0 to 40 km per hour, while the Ather 450X is faster at 3.3 seconds. If quick acceleration is important to you, the 450X will give you that extra thrill, but the 450S is still plenty quick for city riding. Both scooters have a top speed of 90 km per hour, which is more than sufficient for city traffic. However, the 450X higher performance specs make it feel more responsive on the road. A key difference is the walk mode, which is available on the Ather 450X. This mode gives you an additional burst on power for those moments when you need extra performance. The 450S, however, doesn't come with this feature. Charging-wise, the 450X takes 4.5 hours to charge from 0 to 80%, while the 450S takes longer at 6.5 hours. If you are often in a hurry, the 450X faster charging might be more convenient. Looking at the dashboard, the Ather 450S has a 7-inch deep view display with turn-by-turn navigation. The 450X upgrades to a 7-inch TFT touchscreen with Google Maps navigation. While both displays are the same size, the 450X offers a more premium experience with its touchscreen and Google Maps, making it ideal for tech enthusiasts. The 450S, however, keeps it simple with a functional deep view display, which is perfectly adequate for most riders. Both scooters come with advanced features like call, music control, WhatsApp notifications, live location sharing, theft alerts, and whatnot. However, the 450X offers added Alexa voice control and is better suited for heavy-duty use, while the 450S is more agile, making it a great choice for urban riding. To sum it up, if you want a faster, more powerful scooter with extra features like walk mode and Google Maps, the Ather 450X is the way to go. It's more expensive but offers added value in terms of performance and tech. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with great performance and essential features, the Ather 450S is a solid choice. Which Ather fits your needs? Drop your thoughts in the comment section.